Good morning, dear student. Class 5th. In the previous class, I will teach you and some exercises solve the first chapter. So today I will solve the remaining exercise in the first chapter. Okay, class. So let's start now. Open the book and open the exercise C. A and B exercises I'm already solved the previous class, so today I will solve the further exercise. Okay, so exercise C, underline the phrases given in the sentences below. One has been done for you. So here are some sentences. यहाँ पर देखिए कुछ सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं. सो इसमें आपको क्या करना है, अंडरलाइन करना है फ्रेज पे. ओके, तो फ्रेज द अंडरलाइन, आपको फ्रेजेस पे अंडरलाइन करना है. रीड द सेंटेंस एंड अंडरलाइन द फ्रेज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. बीरबल वॉज अ मैन ऑफ विजडम. सो अ मैन ऑफ विजडम इज अ फ्रेज. प्लीज अंडरलाइन अ मैन ऑफ विजडम. Second, the new admissions in school are from the countryside. So phrase is from the countryside. So from the countryside is underlined. Third, the sunset in the west. So in the west is the phrase. So in the west underline. Fourth, that beggar knocked at the door. To at the door phrase. So at the door is underlined. Fifth, the thief ran into the house. So this sentence phrase is into the house. So into the house underline. Okay. Sentence 6, outside the house it was raining heavily. So it was raining heavily phrase underline. One Monday morning we have our class assembly in the basement. So in the basement underline. And the last 8, sit on the chair. So on the chair is phrase. So is on the chair is underline. Okay, I repeat it again. First, a man of wisdom. Second, from the countryside. Third, in the west. Fourth, at the door. Fifth, into the house. Sixth, it was raining heavily. Seventh, in the basement. And the last 8 on the sit. So these are phrases. So this exercise is complete now. Then exercise D start. So exercise D, complete these sentences by adding a phrase from the help box. One has been done for you. So here is a help box. Help box में these are phrases, some phrases here. So this is your exercise. One has been done for you. The birds is in the nest. So second sentence is the horse is in its stable. So all the phrases here in the help box. So read the sentence and choose the phrase and fill up the sentence. Third, I saw a chair made of wrought iron. Fourth, Christmas is in December. Fifth, the children are swimming in the pool. Clear है? Open the next page. Sentence number 6. We eat chocolate eggs during Easter. Okay. Sentence number 7. He wrote a turban made of silk. Sentence number 8. The wind blew with great force. Sentence number 9. Water is an extremely important part of our world. Sentence 10. Children like books written by Enid Blyton. 11th sentence. The old sage spoke words of wisdom. 12th. He lives in a hut made of straw. 13th. A stream used to flow beside the green meadow. 14. Devika answered in a polite manner. 15. Robert ran to the beach with a surfboard. And 16th. I boiled water in the kettle. So, the last exercise E. Tick the most suitable phrase given in the brackets. So, here are phrases in the brackets. Here are two phrases. Choose the one right phrase and complete the sentence. Take the phrase in two options. One phrase, choose and correct. Tick. First, I saw a rabbit with fluffy ears, oblique with large horns. So, I saw a rabbit with fluffy ears. Second, a frog lays eggs in the pond, the house. So, a frog lays eggs in the pond. Third is, a farmer plows his corn, oblique his field. So, a farmer plows his field. Fourth, the bus takes the children to the school, oblique to the playground. So, the bus takes the children to the school. Fifth, the mighty cobra is a poisonous snake, oblique a wealthy snake. So, the right answer is a poisonous snake. Sixth, my uncle loves his food dearly, oblique his daughter dearly. So, the correct answer is his daughter dearly. Seventh, we went to Nainital by rocket, oblique by car. So, we went to Nainital by car. Clear है? Sentence 8, we play badminton in the field, oblique in the classroom. So, we played badminton in the field. Ninth, mother bought me a new dress, oblique a new paper. So, the right answer is a new dress. So, mother bought me a new dress. And last, I plucked a flower with long leaves, oblique with lots petals. So, the answer is with lots of petals. So, I plucked the flower with lots of petals. So, all the exercise is complete now, children. So, all the exercise is note down in your copy, and then two questions are also included in their copy. Open the first page in this chapter. Here are note down as questions, two questions. Question number first, what is a sentence? What is sentence? So the answer is a group of words that contains a verb and makes complete sense is called a sentence. So for example, a lion is a fierce animal. Question number 1, what is sentence? So answer is a group of words that contains a verb and makes complete sense is called a sentence. For example, a lion is a fierce animal. Answer 1 complete. Question number 2, how many kinds of sentences? So the answer is there are 4 kinds of sentences. First, statements. Second, questions. Third, commands. And fourth, exclamations. सो फर्स्ट में आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ लॉयन इज़ अ फायर्स एनिमल. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस में फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाई इज़ कश्मीर कोल्डर दैन मुंबई. एंड द थर्ड command sentence, for example keep quiet. And last exclamation, for example what a fine day. So children, both questions are also note down in your copy and learn it also. Okay, so here first lesson is complete now, and the second chapter I will teach you the next class. Okay class, thank you.